Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Thermador kitchen. My name's Chef John Cardona, and today we're actually going to be working on our 30-inch built-in microwave oven. We'll be making a brown butter matcha cake. Let's get started. This is 50 grams of brown butter, 50 grams of cake flour, 50 grams of brown sugar, teaspoon of matcha powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. And we're gonna mix it thoroughly. Whip this egg, pinch of salt, mix that well. Grab our ramekin, some non-stick spray on here. Grab our egg, add it to our mix. Gonna whip it until very well combined. Pour half of the batter in one ramekin and the other half in the other. Press with the spoon to get it nice and even. Drop these lovely ramekins into our microwave oven for 2.5 minutes using 70%. To ensure your cake is actually done, insert your knife in the cake, pull it out. It should come out nice and clean. To remove these out of the ramekin, grab your knife and just cut along the edges, and it should pop out. See that? We have coconut whipped cream here. We're gonna add some candy cane pieces and a piece of matcha chocolate. And there you have it, your matcha brown butter cake done in our Thermador 30-inch built-in microwave oven. Thank you very much, and see you next time.